We start to sail along these ocean waves. Nobody knows how to find us. It's turning out to be a perfect day. I just wanna leave our normal lives behind us. So let's get lost out here. No one else out here. Find ourselves out here. Oh, we could disappear into this atmosphere where this water's clear. Yeah, we don't have to go back to what we used to. Rather just stay, make a new life with you. This must be fate, must be a sign. So lost here, lost forever. Love being stuck here with you. Here with you. Here with you. We don't have to go back to what we used to. Rather just stay, make a new life with you. This must be fate, must be a sign. So lost here, lost forever. Love being stuck here with you. Here with you. So let's get lost out here. No one else out here. Find ourselves out here. Oh, we could disappear.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another Portuguese edition. If you're new here, feel most welcome. In conjunction with the Spot On family, we'll be showcasing to you a 2-bedroom unit, 2-bath, located in the heart of Regen. That's along the expanding Waiyaki way. Guys, I'm your host, What's on Waiyaki. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Tag along.
Must be a sign. So lost here.
Here we are guys, we're in the lounge area. So guys, to start off, this is your lounge area. We'll have your bay window on this end. So in terms of lighting, definitely you will complain about it. We'll have your views on that end where we have the parking.
Said all she wants to do is smoke, blow another roll. And I could feel a Hennessy, feel it taking over me. Shawty, let's catch a vibe. Girl, give these drugs a try. I'm the plug, I'll be your supply.
So we have the wall lighting on this end.
Plug, I'll be your supply. Yes, 2 a.m. in Miami with a bad bitch named Tammy. Shawty came for the cash, doing 99 on the dash, switching lanes going fast.
Onto this other further end, we have the curtain rods. So at least it's one curtain for the sitting room. Onto the left, we'll have many sockets as you wish. We have that socket on that side. We have another socket on this side. Then we'll have a common area onto this other end.
And I could feel the chemistry. Shawty got a hold on me. Shawty, let's take our time. Baby, we got all night. It's nobody but you and I. It's nobody but you and I.
So this happens to be the house bell, as you can see. That's where it's placed. Then moving on swiftly, we'll be headed to your kitchen. This is a selling point of this house, guys. It comes with the white cabinets. Storage is enough for you guys. We have the pull-out drawers. Storage is enough.
You go and can't without remorse, without heart. In your head, you're right, but in my head, you are the bad. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You was being bad. That use all my love, use all my time, use all my heart. You begging me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you.
This is the location where you can place your cooker on this end.
I wanna shoot to
We'll have where you can set your fridge. So onto this other end to my right, we have your single sink. In terms of water supply is enough.
the work that you're the bad one. You always being bad. You beg me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you.
So this is where we have your washing area or the laundry area. We have a place where you can place your washing machine. Also we have the inlet on this other end. Then we'll have your outlet in here.
You.
You beg me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You beg me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. What are you doing here? 'Cause I don't love you, boy. I wanna shoot to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad.
So moving on swiftly, I'll take you back to the house as I show you the bedroom units.
What are you doing here? 'Cause I don't love you, boy. I wanna shoot to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. What are you doing here? 'Cause I don't love you, boy. I wanna shoot to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad.
The good thing about this house, it comes with a separate toilet and a bathroom. Guys, I'll be proud to show you what we're talking about. Onto your first room, we have your washroom onto this end. It comes with 2 taps. One we have for the hot water, one other one we have for the cold water. So onto your other end, we'll have the toilet. We have good finishes, guys, as you can see. So small and compact in a good way. Then after you come out from the toilet, we'll have the sink. This for the common and the mirror. Then we have these lights, though currently we don't have the light in the houses. This is the corridor area from the sitting room. So onto your right, we'll have the first bedroom. In terms of lighting, guys, you can't complain about it. We have the bay window. And the good thing about all the rooms comes with a bay window. So in terms of lighting, you wouldn't complain about it. We have scenic views on this other end. That's greenery.
I gave you my trust, but you treated me like I couldn't see. I thought you were the one, but I know that I'll never be the girl that you need. You love me right for a minute, even though I tried so hard to forget it. All you do is pave the way so I could reinvent myself. You love me right for a minute, even though I tried so hard to forget it. All you do is pave the way so I could reinvent myself. You can walk
Then onto the other end, we'll have your storage, wardrobes. Show you. We have the subdivision where you can fold your clothes on that. Then we have the pull-out drawers. Guys, you know what to do with this. I wouldn't say on that. Then we have the last but not least, we have this. This is where you hang your dresses, trousers, and everything. Then about the mirror, guys, here we have it behind the door. So I can assure you, this is what you do in the morning. You just make sure you check yourself and ensure you're good to go.
I can't take it. I wish I could get away from here. Never back to this. It's all I wanted, and also forget about you. 'Cause what you did is not that cool.
Stay safe. Last but not least, we have your primary en suite bedroom. This is the biggest of all, of which is a master en suite. In terms of lighting, as you can see, still it's a bay window. Onto your left, we'll have the storage wardrobes, similar to what you've seen from the first bedroom. Then we have the mirror on this side.
You must let me go where I want. You go away from me. Please let me down to the ground to see what I'm without you. Let me down to the sky. I beg you, I need to breathe. Let me down to the ground to see what I'm without you. Promise me not too deep. I need your beautiful heart. You must let me go where I want. You go away from me, please. Let me down to the ground to see what I'm without you. Let me down to the sky. I beg you, I need to breathe. Let me down to the ground to see what I'm without you. Promise me not too deep. I need your beautiful heart. You must let me go where I want. You
Primary en suite, we mean that definitely it's a self-contained room. So this is your en suite on this other end. And in terms of lighting also good, we have your toilet on this end. So there's no, in terms of splitting of water, you can't complain about it because we have the shower on this other end.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. A nice road it feels. I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal?
Guys, I hope you enjoyed the site visit. But before we come to the end of this video, we love to alert you in advance that these apartments come with 3 different layouts. So guys, we will need to feature the other layouts, so kindly bear with us until you book your site visit with us. So guys, this house goes for 35,000 shillings only. We have available units, so guys, feel free to engage us. This house comes with a basement and a ground parking. We have the rooftop. We have a perimeter wall which has an electric fence. We have a borehole. Security is top notch. Guys, book your site visit with us Mondays all the way to Saturdays, 9 a.m. all the way to 5 p.m. Until then, peace out.
Is it a coincidence we keep seeing each other? Like everywhere, so I'ma start calling you my guardian. You say you look angel like nothing like no other. My body heaven sent, feel like I've been here for a millennium. So don't try and save me when you know I've been playing. You're too bad, bad, baby. Don't do me bad, bad, baby. This feels far from me.
start to sail on these ocean waves. Nobody knows how to find us. It's turning out to be a perfect day. I just wanna leave our normal lives behind us. So let's get lost out here, no one else out here. Find ourselves out here. Oh. We could disappear into this atmosphere where this water's clear, yeah. We don't have to go back to what we used to. Rather just stay, make a new life with you. This must be fate, must be a sign. So lost here, lost forever. Love being stuck here with you. Here with you. Here with you. We don't have to go back to what we used to. Rather just stay, make a new life with you. This must be fate, must be a sign. So lost here, lost forever. Love being stuck here with you. Here with you. So let's get